Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to customize your character on Roblox on your account, easy and quick. First, as you see, you will find customize, click on it, and now here you can customize your character as you want. You can customize your head and body, your clothing, and that's it. That's how to customize your character on your account on Roblox, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.